Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding custom post excerpts on WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to enhance your blog post by including a brief, engaging summary that gives your readers a taste of what each post is about. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress site. As soon as the homepage loads, you should notice a login option placed at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing all the tools you need for editing your posts. Once you locate the login option in the upper right area, click on it and the login screen will appear. Here you have a convenient option labeled Continue with Google. Selecting this option simplifies the sign-in process so you can quickly choose the Google account you wish to use for managing your website. This method not only saves time but also enhances the security of your login process by using your trusted Google credentials. After you have successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to your website dashboard where many of the management tools are located. Locate the section that houses all your posts. This section is crucial because it allows you to review and manage every post on your site. Navigating to the post section is straightforward and provides you with an organized view of everything you have published or saved as a draft. Once you have found the posts area, choose the specific post you want to modify by clicking on the edit option associated with it. Editing a post offers you the opportunity to update its content, and for this tutorial, your focus will be on adding a custom excerpt. A custom excerpt acts as a concise summary of your post and serves to entice readers to click and read more. After clicking edit, you will see various panels within the editing interface. In the panel on the right side of the screen, you will find many settings to manage your post. Look for the section dedicated to excerpt. This area is where you can add your custom summary. Here you have the flexibility to either manually write an excerpt that reflects the key points of your post, or to use an automated feature by clicking on Generate, which creates an excerpt for you. This choice allows you to either inject a personal touch with your unique words, or to take advantage of a tool that saves time by crafting the excerpt based on your post's content. Once you have either written your custom excerpt or generated one automatically, the final action is to save your changes. This is an important step because without saving, none of the modifications you have just made will be applied to your post. By saving your work, you ensure that the new excerpt is implemented and will appear along with your post on your website. This change will help your readers get a quick overview of the content, which could lead to increased engagement and more time spent on your site. Following these instructions will allow you to enhance your posts by adding a summary that improves both the aesthetics and usability of your website. The process is simple and effective, ensuring that visitors have a clear, enticing snapshot of your content before they decide to read more. Enjoy the added benefits of a streamlined content presentation on your WordPress site.